Hi friends, we are making a new video to show you the tables via Vedic Max. Today we are going to teach you 7 table via Vedic Max. It is quite easy to deal with. Don't take tension when brainwork education is there. We are showing you 7 table with easy tricks. First of all, you have to make one box, 3 column and 3 row. Then you have to start from here, from your right hand side. First one, then you have to write, this will be your digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 will be isolated. Now, then you have to find your 10 number. So what we have to do, on the first row, we have to write 0, we are going to use 0, 1, 2, 2 again, 3, 4, this will be 4, this will be 4, this will be 5 and this will be 6 and then 7. Look at this, how easy it is this. No one showed you till date. This will be very easy method for you. You just have to remember what you have to do. Make one box, 3 column, 3 row. First start with the digit number from your right hand side. From first column you have to write 1, 2, 3 in a standing line, then 4, 5, 6 in another column, 7, 8, 9 in the third column. You have to start from your right hand side to left hand side. Then when you are making writing a digit number, when you are writing a tens number, then you have to come from this side, 0, 1, 2. You have to go row wise, 0, 1, 2 use. Then again you have to repeat 2, 3, 4, again 4, 5 and 6. And then 7 tens will be 70. You have to write 7. Now I hope you will remember this trick. Now we will go with the 8 table. Hi friends, now we are going to show you the 8 table via Vedic Max, which is quite simple. Don't worry about tables now, just brain work is there. 8 table, first of all we have to make one box, 5 column and 2 rows. Then we have to start writing all the even numbers from 8 to 0. We have to start from 8, not from 0. From 8 till 0. It would be 8, 6, 4, 2, 0 in the first row. You can say the first 5 columns. Then in another row, you have to write the same number. It's 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. That will be your last digit number. Now we'll go for the first digit. For the first digit, for the first row, which number we have to use, I will write it over here. It's 0, 1, then 2, 3 and 4. And for the next row, it would be 4, 5, 6, 7 and 0. Now, where I am placing this number, please check it carefully. 0, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. It would be again 4, 5, 6, 7 and it will be 8. You have to put 8 at the last. Now just count. 8 ones are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. This will be your 8 table. Very easy, very easy. You just have to concentrate what I did. Just check it out. First of all, I make one box. I make it 2 column and 5 column and 2 rows. Then all the even number from 8 to 0. I mentioned in the downward direction, like 8, 6, 4, 2 and the 0, which I mentioned in all the columns. Then again in the downward box, what we can do, our second row, we have mentioned is 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. That will be our unit digit. Then our second digit that we need to find the 10th digit. So for that, what we need to follow the rule, simple rule, it's a trick. In the first row, we are going to use this 5 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, here we put the 0, here we put the 1, here we put 2, here we put 3 and here we put 4. That's your 8 5s is solved. Now, we have to look for 8, 6, which will be in our next row, where we have to use for 10th digit. We have to use this number, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It's simple. We have solved this table. Now you just have to remember this trick. You don't have to remember the whole 8 table. It's quite simple. Hi, we are going to show you 9 table via Vedic Max, which is very simple. It is quite difficult to remember from 9 to 10. We are going to make it so simple for you. You learn our videos. Don't worry. Learn from our videos. Easy learning, easy way learning max and table. Here it is. For 9 ka table, what you have to do, just remember, first of all, we are going to find our unit digit. What you have to do, put from 9 to 0 all the numbers. From 9 till 0. 9, 8, 7 in a decreasing order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, this will be your unit digit, what we have mentioned. Then we have to go other way around. Now we have to put all the number in increasing number for our tens digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is our 9. Now you can check, we can check, it's 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81 and 9 10s are 90. This is quite a simple trick, don't worry about this. Now we are going to show you 12 table via Vedic Max. It's quite simple, don't worry, just learn from this. I am showing you the method. For 12 table, you have to go this way. You know the 1 table and the 2 table. It's like 1 to 10 I wrote over here and 2 to 10 I wrote it over here. Okay, so what we are going to do, first of all we are going to find 12 ones are. So what we have to do, 1 ones are would be 1 and 2 ones are would be 2. So all the 2 will, the table of 2 will go for the unit digit. Unit digit you will find it from here. And this 1 table will be your 10th digit. So I am going to show you how we are going to do 12 ones are. First of all we will need to check 1 ones are. 1 ones are is 1 and 2 ones are. We have to check 2 ones are is 2. So this will be 12 ones are will be 12. Then 12 twos are. Okay. First of all we have to find 2. 2 twos are is 4. That will be your unit digit and then 1 digit we have to find. 1 twos are is your 2. So 12 twos are is 24. Then 12 threes are. Again you have to go 2 threes are will be your 6. And then 1 3 is your 3, 36. 12 4s are. Okay, look, I wrote out the table already. 2 4s are will be 8. So that will be your unit digit. Remember, 2 will be your 10th digit. 2 will be your unit digit and 1 will be your 10th digit. So 1 again 1 4s will be 4. 12 5s are. 12 5s are. Now here what you have to do, your 2 5s is coming 10. So what you have to do, you have to take only the last digit which will be your unit digit. Then 1 5 is your 5. Add 5 and 1. That will be your 6. That will be your 10th digit. 12 5 is your 60. 12 6 are. Again 2 6 will be your 12. So you just have to take 12. Or 2 sorry. That will be your again unit digit. Then 1 6 is 6. Add 1 which you will remember. So that will be your 72. 12 7s are. Again you have to follow the same process. 2 7s will be your 14. So your unit digit will be 4. 1 7s are. It's 7. 7 plus 1 which if you remember it was 14. So we need to take the 10 digit. We have to add it over here. So 7 plus 1 will be your 8. Then 12 8s are. Same. 2 8s are 16. 6 will be your last digit. And 8 plus 9 will be your 9. 96. It's 12 9s are. 9 2s are will be 18, 8 will be your unit digit, and then again 1 is remember here which we need to add in 199 plus 1 10. So that would be 108 and 12 times are. Then C 2 times are is 20, 1 times are is 10. So what we have to do over here again, you have to put 0 at your as your unit digit and 10 add with this 2 which is already there. It's 120. So you can see the result. It's very simple. For 12 you just have to remember 1 and 2 card table and it will be very simple for you to remember this table. And it is quite easy. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now we are going to teach you 13 table. You must be thinking it won't be easy. It is easy. Remember, whenever there is a brain work, definitely you will get an easy idea about the table. 13 table is quite simple. Just follow my steps. You don't have to remember, you just have to remember for solving 13 table, you just have to remember 1 table and 3 table. Okay, once again, the 3 table will be your digit side. It will be your unit digit. This will be your unit digit 3 and 1 will be your tens digit. Just look at here, I am going to solve in front of you. It's 13 ones are. So first of all we have to find 3 ones are is 3 and 1 ones are will be 1. So that will be your 13. 13 twos are. 3 twos are is 6. So that will be your unit digit. Then again 1 twos are. 1 twos are is 2. So 13 twos are is 26. 13 threes are. Okay, once again 3 threes are. 3 threes are is 9, that would be your unit digit, and 1 threes are, that is your tens digit, 39. 13 fours are. Now 3 fours are is 12. 3 fours are is 12. So that's a double digit. You don't have to take the double digit over here. You have to take the last digit which is unit digit. The unit digit of 3 will be unit digit of 13 fours also. That's 2. 1 is still over there. We have not done anything with 1. Now go for the 1 forza, because we have did 3 forza, we are doing 13 forza, so we have to go for 1 forza now, because we already did 3 forza. We got 12, 2 we have put as a unit digit and 1 is your remaining number is still there. What we have to do, 1 forza is 4, we have to add 4 with 1 because it is remaining. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So 13 4 is 52. 13 5 is 5 3 is 15. Again same thing. The last digit of 3, the last unit digit of 3 will be the last digit unit digit of 13 table. So 3 5 is 15. This is your last unit digit. So our unit digit is 5 once again. Again 1 is remaining over here. What we have to do? Same thing, 1 5 is 5, but we have not done this multiplication yet. Now we are doing 1 5 is 5, add 1 is here, so 5 plus 1 is 6, so 13 5 is 65. Same, 13 6 are 18, 8 is your unit digit of 3, so we have to write here 1 is still over there, we have not done anything with it. 1 is still pending, we have to take into consideration 1 6 is 6. We are doing 13 6. So 1 3 is done. Now 1 6 is 6. We have to add this value 1. So 6 plus 1 7. So 13 6 is your 78. 13 7 is 7 3 is your 21. Answer already written over here. We have to take unit digit of 3 over here, which will be same. Unit digit of 13 also. 2 is still over here. Now we have to go for 1 7. So 1 7 is 7 plus 2 which is pending. So 2 and 7. 7 plus 2 is? Yes, 9. So 13 7 is 91. 13 8 are, 8 3 are. Again 8 3 is 24. You have to take the unit digit of it. That's 4. 2 will be carried over. So 2 we have to put it over here. First of all go 1 8 is 8. 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 8 plus 2. So that will be your 2. Why we took the 2? Because 2, 3 is the 24, 4 is your unit digit. Still 10 digits is pending. That's why we took this 2 and 1 8 the. 8 plus 2 is 10. 104 is your answer. Or 13 8 the. 13 9 ka. Again same. 3 9 is 27. The unit digit of 3 ka table will be used as the unit digit of 13 ka table. So 3 9 is 27. 7 is your unit digit over here. 2 is still pending with us. 1 9 is 9. 9 plus 2, 11 is 117. We have to add whatever the value is pending over here or remaining over here. We have to add with 1 ka table. 13 tens are. 3 tens is 30. Again, we have to take the unit digit as 0. Now, here is 10. 2 digit, so we have to add 10 plus 3 which we are pending. So is 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 tens is 130. We are done with our 13 ka table. I hope you enjoyed this video. Next videos we are going to go with more tables, more fun tricks of maths, and mind it, this will be very simple for you. It's a free tutorial. So subscribe our channel, like and comment if you want to know something better. It's a free tutorial. We are not charging anything for this. It's a brain work supplementary course to a student and their sibling. So please do join in numbers. 13 table, very easy. Tables will be very fun. Maths will be fun for you. So remember us. Do like our channel on YouTube. Thank you. Bye.